we have the second question on this topic, projectile. It says a football is hit with a velocity of 6 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. The time of flight of the ball is dash. This was asked in the year 2015 in JAMB exam. And WAEC has also asked this particular question. In this question, they say a football is hit with a velocity of 6 meters per second. So which means u is 6 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees. This is the angle theta, 30 degrees to the horizontal. Then the ask us to calculate for the time of flight. The previous question we solved, they asked us to calculate for the time to get to the maximum height. But in this question, they asked us to calculate for the time of flight, which means the time it took to get to that maximum height and return to the ground again. That is the time of flight. But there is something peculiar about these parameters. In this question, we are not giving g to be 10 meters per second. We are not giving the gravity. But you should know that gravity is constant. Acceleration due to gravity is a constant value, which is either 9.8 meters per second square or 10 meters per second square. So, but in the course of this question, we're using 10 meters per second square. Now let's solve. Solution. Now, since they ask to calculate for the time of flight, we are going to be using t is equal to 2u sine theta over g. Previously, we just used u sine theta over g. But in this case, we will be using 2u sine theta over g. T is equal to 2, which is this, times u is what? 6. Times sine theta is what? 30 degrees. It's 30 degrees. All over g is 10. Right? So t is equal to 2 times 6, 12, times sine 30 all over 10. Now, t is equal to 12 times sine 30 is 0.5. 0.5 all over 10. Please, you can use your calculator to press sine 30. It will give you 0.5. Now, is equal to 12 times 0.5. 12 times 0.5 is 6. So you have 6 all over 10. Now, 6 divided by 10 is 0.6. So therefore, the time of flight is what? 0.6 seconds. That is 0.6 seconds or 0.6 xs. It is the same thing. This is your final answer. Can you see the difference between time to get to maximum height and the time of flight? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, follow my Facebook page, share and drop your comments. Thank you.